Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to do this beautiful small square. It is very easy and beginner friendly. So as you can see in my hand it is very small because the yarn that I'm using is very small. But if you are using a bigger yarn you will get a bigger square. And I'm using in this video 2.5 millimeter hook size. That's why I have a small square. But let's start, shall we? I'm going to start by doing a magic circle, placing the yarn this way and then doing a rotate and a cross from the other side. I'm going to insert like this from this top and then pull this yarn, twist and then yarn over. And this is my magic circle. Now I need to work 8 single crochet inside the circle. So I'm going to insert inside, pull. I have 2 loops through both loops. This is single. Again 2, 3. Notice that I always, when I pull my yarn, I'm holding this yarn. If not, I can to see to be a bit tricky, so better hold the yarn on the hook and then pull. You have 2 loops through both loop. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 7 and 8 single crochet. I'm going to pull this yarn to close my circle, and in the first single crochet I'm going to insert and do a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut. Now I'm going to bring the white color and insert at top of any of the single crochet. Pull this tightly as much as you could so that the circle is close at the top, and in this row I'm going to start working on cluster. So now I'm going to start chaining 3, 1 2 and 3, and then the cluster is about will be a triple crochet. So I'm going to yarn twice, insert inside, pull. I have 4 loops, the first 2 loop and the next 2 loop, and stop. Again yarning twice, hold the tip of my finger, insert inside and pull the first 2 loop and the remaining, and now I have 3 loop through all 3 and chain 3, 1 2 3. Again in the next single crochet another cluster, so I'm going to yarn twice, cluster of 3 triple. So an insert at the top, first 2 and the remaining 2, and stop. Again yarning twice, insert, pull the first 2 loop and the remaining. Now I have 3 loop. Again this is my third, the first 2 loop and the remaining. I have now 4 loop through all 4 loop and chain 3, 1 2 3. I have 1 loop on my hook, so in the next again another cluster, so I'm yarning it twice, insert inside and pull the first 2 loop and the remaining 2, and I have 2 remaining loop on my hook. Leave them. Again yarning it twice, insert and yarn again. I have now 5 loop on my hook, the first 2 loop and the remaining 2. Now I have 3 remaining. Leave them. Again yarning it twice, insert and pull the first 2 loop and the next 2. Now I have 4 loop through all 4 loop and chain 3, and this is the pattern that you're going to repeat. I work the 3, I need another 5, so finish them and come again. I'm done, and so I'm going to work a slip stitch in the top of the first cluster, chain 1 and cut. And now I'm going to insert the color. I'm going to insert the color at the chain 3, and then I'm going to chain to work first. I'm going to the first space, this one, I'm going to work in the corner. So I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then another 2 double crochet in the same spot. So yarn over, insert, again another double crochet, and then chain 2, 1, 2, another 3 double crochet in the same space. So 1, 2 and 3. In the next space we're going to work only 3 double crochets. This is 1, 2 and a 3, and this is the pattern. A space you're going to work in the corner, which is a 3 double crochet, 2 chain 3 double crochet, and the next 3 double crochet. So continue working and come again for the last row. I finished all my stitches, so I'm going to do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain and then chain 2. Now in the next row and the final row, we're going to work a half double crochet in all the stitches. So the first 2 chains that I worked, they are presenting 1 half double crochet. In the next, I'm going to insert pull. I have 3 loop through all 3 loop. This is a half double crochet. Again, in the top of the next half double. In the corner, 2 half double crochet, and then chain 2, and then same chain, another 2 half double crochet, and then as I mentioned, in all the spaces you're going to work what? Half double crochet. So continue working and come for the end. I worked around all the stitches. Now I'm going to do a slip stitch in the 2nd chain, chain 1 and pull and cut. And you've seen all the stitches from previous row. I work around them while crocheting, so they are secure. See this one, I'm only going to cut, and this is the beginning. You can secure it through the needle or you can simply cut. Now this, I'm going to use a needle, and then I'm going to insert at the outer loop only to secure them. At the outer loop, and that's it. You're going to cut, pull, and this is my square. It is very easy and simple, and you can use it for a blanket or whatever granny square project you want. So thanks for watching, and I hope you press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Until the next time.